Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Good. Today, you remember in our last class we have discussed about active voice and passive voice, and a verb has 6 active forms and 6 passive forms. Eat, eats, ate, eaten, eating, to eat. These are active voice forms, and the passive voice forms are is, are, was, were, eaten, have, has, had, eaten, being, eaten, been, has, have, has, had, been, eaten, to be eaten, then eaten, be eaten. Today we will do activity 2. Change the voice of the sentences below. The dates for, look at the blackboard. The dates for polling here. The dates for polling have been announced by the election commission. Have been announced. This is the verb group. Right? And it is in the passive form. In a passive voice, we will turn it into active voice. ताकू आमे active voice करिबा. So this is the verb. What did I say? This is a verb. The election commission is the by election commission by subject, and the dates for polling, this is the object. We will take a subject to the first position, that is the election. Election, yes, election commission. Election commission singular, third person singular number. So not have, has. The election commission has been should be removed. आमे be बसई थाउचे passive voice कला we will remove it. तो has announced the dates for the polling. The dates for polling. Right? For polling. Now let's do another one. The next one is Warriors living in America have sent 50 crores for the relief work. Mark the verb. Verb. Have sent. What did I say? Have sent is the verb. Here object is, this is the object. Oh, this is the subject. What shall we do now? We will take a subject to the object position and bring the object to the subject position. Right? So first let's write object. 50 crores. What did I say?
50 crores.
50 crores. For what? Relief. For relief work. Then we will write by Warriors living in America. First we took the object in the front position and brought the subject to the object position. Now let's make the verb form. A verb कौन अच्छी? Have sent. Have sent means it is in the perfect, so been will be used. Can say have sent, third form. Sent, sent. Corner dress pinch, yen dress pinch, we will remove it. Where shall we keep it? Where shall we keep yen? Code rakya yen lag beer. And corner of being sent will become being sent. Right? Have will become has because 50 crores for a relief work have been. So this is plural. So plural verb used, that is have been sent. This is been. Right? This is been. So 50 crores for a relief work have been sent by Orias living in America. Okay. We can write by Orias living in America or may not. Next. Look at the sentence. The next sentence, the party has chosen a new president. The party has chosen a new, mark the verb. Helping verb, has. Main verb chosen. This is a verb. En is used, see en dress pinch, taku remove kariya, code rakhiya. B will become what? Been. So yes, been. It is a been. Right? Then we will take a, this is the object, a new president is the object and the party is the subject. First word shall I write? Tell me. Object. I shall write object a new
president.
Just 1 minute. A idiot. A new, yes, tell. Yes.
New president has
been chosen, yes,
by
the party. Oh, this is not mandatory. This is optional. We can write or may not. Okay. Now let's move to the next sentence. What is the next sentence? Tell me. The plane was hijacked by 5 terrorists. Verb, mark the verb. Was is the verb? Yes, this is helping verb. Hijacked, main verb. It is in a passive form. Could understand? Remember, I have told you what becomes was in a passive voice. Did it? So then in active voice was will become did. Could understand? In a passive voice did becomes was. In a active voice was will become did. Right? Okay. Next object. Let's find it. This is by subject in a object position. And this is the object in a subject position. Right? What shall we do now? We will write first the subject, that is 5. Look at the book. Look at the book. 5 terrorists. Terrorist माने कौन जानते हो? संत्रासवाद जो मार दो ना लोग कौन? They are terrorists. 5 terrorists hijacked. Be removed, you know. Hijacked. Hijacked the plane. Plane टाକୁ hijack କରି ଧରି ପଳେଇଲେ. अपहरण କରି ଧରି plane टाକୁ. Terrorist gun ଦେଖେଇରେ. Showing the gun at the gun point. Could you understand? So next one is tell me. Can this check be cashed by my brother? Yes, that is just 1 minute. Be checked. Can be checked verb. This is the object in the subject position, right? This is the subject in the object position. So it is in the passive voice and in the question mark, right? So again in the passive voice we shall, in the active voice we shall write the question form, that is can. Can. The subject is my, can my brother, can my brother, yes, case,
case,
what happened, be removed. आमे passive voice कलाडो be, when we are making passive voice you use be, when we are making active voice we remove be. Could understand? So remove, be removed, and case what, this is check, this is check, CHEQE, check, question mark. Okay, done. Now let's move to the next point, that is, let's see what is there here. So use of passives, code आमे passive use करूचे. Passive sentence are more commonly used in the writing than in speech. While talking आमे कथाबार्ता लाडो we don't use passive forms. Generally we use passive forms in the writing, lekha re. Passive is particularly common in scientific and technical writing. वैज्ञानिक लेखा and technical writing, generally these passive forms are used. Reports on experiments, description of scientific processes, etc. Passives are also frequently used in official documents when rules and regulations are laid down. Here are some examples. So we will not discuss this. So let's read it. Payment can be made at any bank. The liquid is heated to boiling point. All lights are switched off at 11 p.m. Sensitive data should not be fed into the computer. Sugar is exported to Japan. These are all are in a passive form. Now let's move to the next point here. Activity 3. Use the verbs given in the bracket in the correct form. Right? This one. Use the verbs. Verbs means what? Priya? Given in the bracket in the correct form. What is originally this novel? What shall I write? Originally this novel was written. Lekha hoi thilla. What shall I write here?
return,
Was written. That is was written. Was written. What did I say? Was written. That is was written. WRITTEN. Right? Was written. Next one is cheese. Days from milk. हुए. छेना क्षीररू हुए. राइट तैयारी हुए. हवा को आम कौन कहे बी वर्ब. सो चीज इज मेड. इज दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2. चीज इज मेड. इज मेड. मेक मेड मेड. Making it to make. Next word is tell me. Yes. See, there. Look at the book. There was an accident in this. There was an accident this afternoon. Somebody called an ambulance, but as nobody was injured. What did I say? Was injured. Injured. Nobody was injured. The ambulance was not required. was not required. लोड़ा पड़लानी required. Right? Okay. Now let's move to D. The office. Look at the book. D. The office is in the mess. बड़ा विभ्राटी आगे the telephone yes tell is never answered. Is never answered. Is never answered. Right? Never answered. And worst of was never answered. Non-proper records. What did I say? Non-proper.
Course.
No proper. That is no proper records are kept. What did I say? Are kept. That is are kept. Are kept. And worst of all, no records are written. Are written. Are written. Right? Okay. Now let's move to D3E. Yes. Look at your book. Please look at your book. What is given? A 3-year-old girl who hid Lucilla in a sack akka vitare while her mother was picking potatoes. Yes, was run over by a tractor at a farm in Karnataka. Was run over. What did I say? Was run over. Yes, that is was run over. Was run over. Right, next. F. A tree is lying across the road. It was blown down in the storm. Right? What did I say? It was blown down. It was blown down. Right? Next. F. It's already done. G. The letter post a week ago and it arrived yesterday. The letter was posted. Was posted. The letter was posted. 2 people were reported injured in a bomb explosion in a factory. 2 people were, tell me. Yes, 2 people were reported. Were reported. Put your finger here. Next one is the next a new museum was built. Museum is being built. Houchi tiyari houchi is being built in the city. Work started last year and the museum is expected आशा करा जाउची expected to open next year. With this we shall close today's session. We will have other session in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.